Literally put it on. Put it
I
on.
don't want to.
Why?
Because then I'll smell like it for the next year.
You don't want to smell like Santa and unicorns?
Not really.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kinsey and Lo. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, welcome. Thank you. You can subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and feel free to watch our past videos. But today, we will be doing a very classic what's in our bag video. Now these were really big in kind of the past.
I feel like when we started watching YouTube, it was like what's in my bag heyday.
Yes.
And so we love them.
Love them. And I feel like they're kind of coming back. But also, more than anything, I think people are just really nosy. You know? It's
I
like,
want to know what's in people's bags.
like, you know what you carry in your bag, but what do other people carry in their bags?
For
you know?
sure.
And also, I think people are always kind of, you know, it's like your go-to bag that you use every single day.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes people are looking for a new one too, if it's a little beat up or time to get a new one. So I always like seeing what kind of bags people are carrying too.
I agree. Yeah.
But we're going to get into it. Do you want to go first?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So my bag is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse in the black empreinte leather. And I love this bag so much. I just recently got it. It was a graduation present. And so it's really easy. You just like push one button and it comes unclasped.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, it's really easy. And then it has 3 pockets, the front, middle, and then like a tiny little one in the back. So I will start in the front pocket. And the first thing I have is this Caudalie, I don't know.
French.
It's just, I took Spanish. This is not my thing.
French is hard.
This Caudalie hand cream. I have really dry hands, and so I always have this in my purse, and this is really good and hydrating, and it kind of has like a nice subtle citrus scent, but not too much, so like you can't smell me putting on lotion a mile away, because that bothers me.
Oh my God.
So I really like this. Then the next thing is my phone. Then I have this Clinique chapstick. It's just their chapstick. This is the best chapstick ever. If you have really dry lips and struggle, that is the best thing ever. They only sell it at Ulta.
Oh, and is it tinted?
No.
Oh.
It just looks like it is. It has no scent either.
Wow. Bougie chapstick.
Of course.
For a bougie girl.
Oh. So true. Then I have my wallet. It is, I don't know what, I have no clue what it is. It's just a Louis Vuitton red something. And it has cards in it.
Thrilling.
Then I also have, this is my bag that I carry with me to work also. So I have my glasses because I do a lot of computer work and I can't see anything. So these are my glasses. So cute. They're by Banana Republic. I don't know.
Love it.
I love them. They're great.
They're kind of tortoiseshell-y.
They are, and they kind of flare up a little bit, but they're not like extreme cat eye.
Yeah, fashion.
Then I have my headphones. I keep them in a cute little pouch because I don't like when cords go everywhere. So they're just like, they're basic Skull Candy headphones. They're like $10 at Best Buy. I don't know. I like them.
Love it.
So when I lose them, I'm not devastated. Then I have the Sephora brand lip liner in the color Nudist, I believe. Yep. It's just a nude lip liner. It's my favorite color lip liner. And then I have 2 lipsticks. The first is MAC Creme de Nude Cream Sheen. It's just, again, a nude. Can you tell what kind of color it's like?
That would for sure be too light on me.
Yeah, that would not work on you at all.
Yeah.
And neither would this. And then this is the Sephora Collection Lip Stories in the shade... Oh, in the shade 1. I like the Lip Stories. They're great.
I love that.
Then I have a mini thing of Altoids. Then I have my car keys. That's not interesting. Then I have another lip product. This is Sephora Liquid Lipstick in the color 33. In a shocking turn of events, this is a nude color.
Shocked.
Wow.
I know, I'm shocked.
I know. Then I have my sunglasses. I change them out, but always end up going back to these. They're just black Ray-Ban aviators, and I love them.
Cute.
I feel like you can never go wrong with just black aviators.
No, I may or may not have something similar in my bag.
And then I also usually have a tape measure in here, but I left it on my desk at work.
Classic interior designer, am I right?
You always have to have a tape measure. Then in the back pocket, I have a hair tie. I have 2 different pens. I'm really picky with pens, and it depends on what kind of notes I'm taking to know what pen I would use.
I get that.
Yeah, and then I have the last thing in my bag is like hand sanitizer wipes. I'm a major germphobe. It's actually gotten way worse over the past few years, and it's not good.
That's why you and my sister get along.
Yeah. So I'm a major germphobe, and I always have wipes with me because you just never know what you're gonna come into contact with. So I don't have anything in the back pocket. There's nothing.
It's nice that there's a zipper on the back.
I do. I have earplugs. I went to a concert, and the band that came on before the one that I was seeing was a super screamo band. Not my vibe. And they were literally...
Whose vibe is it? No offense.
They were literally handing out earplugs. Like, hi, do you want earplugs for the screamo band?
These were free?
Yeah, they were handing them out to people because no one needs them.
Those might come in handy for something else.
Yeah, so I have earplugs in my bag too. So.
Fun.
And that's it. It has a top handle.
So cute.
And a crossbody strap.
Love that it has a top handle.
And that is all that is in my bag.
Okay, so now we're gonna get into my bag. It's a little bit smaller than Katie's, but all my bags have been this size that I take with me.
I think that's kind of the perfect size.
Yeah, it totally is. This is by Rebecca Minkoff, and I don't know the exact type of bag this is, but if I find it, we will link it down below, and if I can't find it, I'll link a similar one. But it kind of reminds me of All Saints, a little bit.
For sure.
But I love studded things, embroidered things, anything.
Anything with detail.
With detail, I just love a little extra interest to my outfit. But yeah, she's perfect. I take this with me every day, going out. It's perfect for that kind of thing. And you might think, why would you take this out? But honestly, I've
it's not that big.
May or may not have spilled some things on it.
Oh yeah.
And it wipes right off.
The Rebecca Minkoff bags are so resilient. We were just talking about it before we started filming. But I have a Rebecca Minkoff bag that I always take out with me, and that thing has been through it, and it looks brand new still.
It's amazing.
I don't know what she does to her bags, but they are somehow so resilient.
And then this one has, I love this. It's just a little pocket, and that's where I keep my phone for when I need to reach it easily. But yeah, I have just the rose gold iPhone. I've now opened her up. So nothing too crazy in here, but I have my keys. And poof! This is famous. I feel this is crucial to my brand. Is it not?
Yeah.
Ask me how many times I've lost my keys though.
0.
Literally 0. Okay, and then a hair tie.
Crucial.
And a hair clip, because my hair annoys me. Also crucial to my brand, the Mentos tub, and it has to be the white kind.
Also, let's just stop and think for a second. In her tiny bag, half of the space is this Mentos gum.
I know that they make smaller ones, but there's 4 pieces in it. So why?
So.
This bounces around from my big work bag to other things too, but it fits in here.
Yeah, which is impressive, honestly.
This is the best gum too.
It is good. I like that.
Yeah. Okay, and then I also have Ray-Bans in here. Mine are a little different than Katie's.
Yours are jazzy. I like yours.
Are they jazzy?
Yeah, they are.
Huh. I love these. These were new last year, so I'm pretty sure they still have them, but they just have little gold studs on them. I love them.
Cute.
So cute. They go with everything. Kind of wish they were rose gold, but
But you may do.
Okay, and then I have these Basha blotting papers.
This is the best.
So good, and because it's seasonal and fun, this is in the pink peppermint scent. Oh my god. I don't know if you can smell it. Can you smell it?
Kind of.
I have a couple dollars.
Wealth.
You always need these.
You never know when you're going to need a few singles. It's true.
Okay.
Always smart to have some cash.
Well, it's because it doesn't fit in I use a card holder. This one's from YSL. It's my child.
I love it.
I love it.
It's perfect.
It is perfect. I have a bigger Tory Burch wallet that is literally all rose gold and as extra as it sounds, but it's just like it doesn't fit in here. It fits in my other bags, but this is like, this changed my life. I love a card holder. I think it's the most convenient thing ever. We have ibuprofen because I get headaches often, so that's fun.
That's crucial.
Oh my god, wow, okay. I can like kind of have like more little things than I thought. Okay, and then Katie is more of a germaphobe than I am, but I do always have to have hand sanitizer like on hand. So I have like a little stash at home, so I like will swap them out for like whatever I'm feeling. And so this one is, the scent, I'm not kidding, is I Believe in Santa and Unicorns. It's new. She's new. It has glitter. It has glitter in it, yeah. It smells so good. Okay, and then chapstick, I use the Nivea Smoothness one.
That's a good chapstick.
Yeah, it's really good. My favorite is the olive oil and lemon one, but like I think they discontinued it.
Oh.
And it's tragic.
That's sad.
I keep a roller ball in here. This is the replica Lazy Sunday Morning.
Ooh.
So good. I'm kind of running low, but
That smells so good.
I've repurchased that quite a few times. It's just a really nice, like, fresh and clean scent. Yeah, enough said. I'm gonna be transparent. Okay, eye drops, because I get dry eye sometimes. So these are the Rodo Hydra ones. Really, really good. Kind of painful at first.
Really?
But like the most effective eye drops I've ever used.
That's good.
It like stings at first and then it's like, you have the best day ever. Okay, getting closer. Oh, Katie gifted me this fan to use. Just, you know, because she knows I don't know, I have a really like hot body temperature. And honestly, I've been using this.
Really?
Oh yeah. But like not for makeup. You know how you use it for makeup?
I use it for makeup.
No. Oh my god, I found a 5.
You're rich.
Wow.
Woman.
I really needed that right now. Okay. And then, another hair tie. And before we get to the lip products, 2 Dayquil.
Oh, yeah, you were sick recently.
Yeah. We just have a few lip products in here, and I think that's it. Okay, so these are just kind of like go-to things that I always have in my bag. Katie's laughing because like, the size. Okay, can I just explain myself, please?
No, it's so cute.
Okay, so I subscribe to the Sephora Play Box.
Okay,
I think
like
that's
their
what it's
monthly
called.
box.
It's like Birchbox or like Ipsy. That's that kind of thing. Highly recommend. And they always do a lip product, and a lot of times I don't know. I feel iffy about the lip product that they put in there.
Super personal.
Yeah, you know. But I love this one. I guess this is a bestseller at Sephora. It's the cream lip stain, and you would really like this. I forgot to tell you about it. In the shade Pink Tea. Pink Tea. It is a great color. It's really good. It's a nude that like kind of has that like grayish vibe that you like. Okay, and then I have this, like I love this so much that I have this in my purse, and then I also have it like in my makeup collection. It's the Bobbi Brown lip color in brown, number 4. Really simple. That's color.
It's really great.
And then last thing I have in my purse is a gloss, and this is the Marc Jacobs gloss in Enamored Gloss. I thought that was the name of it. Enamored Gloss in Love Buzz is the color.
Is it like an iridescent?
It is literally like rose gold, like a true rose gold. It's like equal parts pink and gold.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's almost like holographic, but not in like the traditional sense. You know what I mean? But that's it. That's pretty much it. And then there's just like a little pocket on that side, and there's a few slots on that side. But other than that, that's it.
Exciting stuff.
It's exciting. But I hope you guys found this somewhat entertaining and interesting to watch.
Yeah.
I know we do.
For sure. I love these videos.
Me too.
And then next week, there will be a tutorial on the look that is on Lauren's face right now. And I did her makeup, and then she's going to do mine. So keep coming back for the next 2 weeks if you want to see those videos. And we will see you in our next one.
Bye.